the long and winding road that leads to your door will never disappear. I've seen that road before. It always leads me there, leads me to your door. Many times I've been alone, and many times I've cried. Oh, but you'll never know all the ways I've tried. Hey guys, I'm Vasco, and today I'll show you how I'm playing The Long and Winding Road by the Beatles. We're doing 1/2 step down than the original. If you want to play along with the original after that, you just put a capo on the first fret. But in this tutorial, we will not use a capo. That way it's just easier to play it. The chords are easier, and that's why I'll show it to you that way. So grab your high G string ukulele and let's go. Okay, so the song has basically two different parts, but we'll split the verse in two parts because it's a little bit long, and I think that way it will be easier to memorize it. So we start with the chord of B minor. If this is too hard to grab, you can just bar on the second fret. It will sound fine. And then we have the G chord. And in the beginning we have a little bit different rhythmic side of the thing. It goes like this: the long and winding. So you just do one down strum on B minor, and then on G you do down, 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 down. All right? The long and winding road that leads. And here we go to the chord of D, then D7, to your door, to G, to G major 7. Okay, this will be the verse A, and after that we go to the verse B, which we are repeating 2 times. And the verse B continues with the G chord, will never, to F sharp minor, disappear, to B minor twice. And then we have E minor, I've seen the road, to A, to D before. And here you can do this. So when you're grabbing the D chord on the E string 3rd fret to 5th fret, or just A string open, whichever is more comfortable for you, which leads us back to the beginning of the verse B. It always leads me there, leads me to your door. And just before going to the bridge, we're not doing the little whoa here. We're not doing this. We just play it D. And after that we go to the bridge, which is D chord, many times I've been alone, to G chord, to F sharp minor, and many times I've cried. Quicker E minor to A, splitting a bar, all right? Oh, but you never know all the ways I've tried. And getting back to the beginning. Let's go to the bridge. Many times I've been alone, many times I cried. Oh, but you'll never know all the ways I've tried. And getting back to the verse. And the last thing that we have is the outro. After we do the verse, we stay on the last D of the verse. And then the outro is just the G the same way that it is in the beginning. And we finish on the D chord. And basically this sums up the structure of the long and winding road. It would be very helpful if you have the printable PDF in front of you. You can get it from the link in the description. Also make sure you request songs in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.